Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off FaceTime on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is to open up the FaceTime application. Once you have FaceTime open, you would select the FaceTime button up in the menu bar, and then you would select Settings. And then in the General tab, you would uncheck the box next to Calls from iPhone. So that's one way to turn off the calls or just to get out of it, basically. And that's what I would recommend doing. You can also sign out of your Apple account on your MacBook by selecting the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then selecting System Settings and then select where the Apple account is up at the top left, and you can just sign out down here, and that's pretty much it. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.